Hello Boca, I'm Lorianne with the Boca Voice, and today I'm taking you inside Beauty Smart Dermatology Clinic and Med Spa. It's very important that when you're looking for a spa that you're making sure that the dermatologists are board certified and the estheticians are licensed. We really need to take great care of our skin to maintain that healthy looking, younger feel. And today we're going to sit down with the doctor and the owner and an esthetician to find out some tips to maintain that healthy looking skin that we all would like to have. Let's get started. So I'm here now with Dr. Buchbinder here at Beauty Smart. I want to know about your vast experience because you have over 30 years in this field. So why don't you tell our viewers about that?
You know, I was trained in dermatology at the University of Cincinnati. In fact, I was a chief resident during my internship. And right out of dermatology training, I passed my dermatology boards right away, and I was certified by the American Society for Dermatologic Surgery in 1990. I'm a fellow of that. And from Cincinnati, we moved right to Boca and opened our little shack.
Wonderful.
So it's been a long time.
So let's talk about being board certified, how important it is for people who are looking to find a medical spa to go to, how important it is to make sure you're getting the care of a physician.
You really have to be a well-trained dermatologist to know what you're doing, because there's so many nuances on the skin, different skin colors, skin types, even skin consistency. And there's so many lesions on the skin that to a nurse practitioner or a PA, they may not have been exposed to all the gamut of skin lesions. And not everything is a keratosis, not everything is a simple mole, not everything is just a nothing. You have to be you have to know what you're doing. I even use my loupe to really distinguish the lesion, because you have to examine the borders, you have to examine all the morphologic properties to know whether you're dealing with something that's okay or wait a minute, there's something more to this.
Right.
And that's where disasters happen.
Mm-hmm. Okay, and also, I mean, you have, first of all, beautiful medical spa here. They're located right on Federal Highway, just south of Palmetto Park Road. And you have such a huge, wide variety of services here. But what do you enjoy doing most, or what do you feel that is your specialty here?
Of course, I do general dermatology, surgical dermatology, but here I especially do a lot of aesthetics. And I'm a sculptor by heart, and I love it. I love to have a patient get up the table, look at the mirror, and say, oh my God. In fact, I've had a few patients who cried when they walked out, that I transformed them, I gave them beauty. I mean, it's really heartwarming and gratifying.
So if you could give our viewers some tips on what are maybe 3 of the most important things that people should be doing for their skin to maintain that healthy glow and just remain healthy?
Number 1, especially down here where we have abundance of the sun, we need to put a sunscreen. Right after we get out of the shower, we don't know what our plans for the day will be, just put a sunscreen on. And then you can put your makeup over your sunscreen and do all the other stuff, but this way you don't forget. Because once you start sweating and putting that on, it becomes a mess, and you'd rather not do it anymore. That's number 1. Number 2, you have to prioritize as to what really is important to you. You know, people are starting with aesthetics actually younger and younger. And it's true though, because sometimes when you have an issue and you don't address it, it just gets deeper and deeper and deeper. And addressing it 20 years later is like excavating a deep hole. While if you start sort of early, not overdoing it, you can prevent it from getting too bad. So the maintenance is easier, a lot easier.
Right. And a third tip?
And the third tip is really you have to know your doctor. You have to know the credentials of your doctor. And you have to be careful because one mess can be a real mess and it will cost you a lot of money and heartache and everything else.
Now I'm here with Dena Clarke, who is one of the owners here at Beauty Smart. Thank you so much for sitting with the Boca Voice viewers and telling us about this incredible spa you have here.
Well, thank you for having us. This is a pleasure.
And you have beautiful skin.
Thank you.
Many years experience and care.
Yes, that and my mother from a very young age, you know, wash your face every night, take care, do your facials. So yeah, I've been kind of born in it and raised in it, and it's my passion. I love skin. I love taking care of other people. And, you know.
So you're never too young to start taking care of your skin, because I know a lot of times people say, oh, they're too young. Well, they don't have to do that now. It's just youth. But we really do have to start at a young age.
Absolutely. I think you should start taking care of your skin as an infant, you know, and then especially as a teenager when you start wearing makeup or acne and the breakouts. I mean, it's very important then to maintain good skincare regimen.
Okay, now there are so many issues that people are concerned with pollutants and certain chemicals in various types of medical products. And I know here you're carrying a line that is free of that?
Yes, we carry actually 3 skincare lines here, but the one that is chemical-free, 100%, no additives, it's all natural from the Dead Sea, is called Mindful Minerals.
Okay.
So it's got the volcanic ash, the seaweeds, the Dead Sea salts, and it has no chemicals, no harsh abrasions to the skin or any negative effects at all. It could be used from any, skincare type or age range.
Okay. And here at Beauty Smart, I mean, they pretty much have everything that could keep your skin looking young and youthful and healthy. But let's talk about a couple of your specialties that you do here.
Well, for aesthetic services, we offer everything from your basic facial for acne reduction all the way to laser skin resurfacing. So we do the hydrofacial, the dermaplaning, microneedling with different types of serums depending on what we're trying to go after. We use the lasers for brown spot, hyperpigmentation, age spots that we get, especially being down here in Florida in the sun. We do a lot of the IPL treatments. We treat acne scars, and anti-aging, hydration is very, very important. And having a regular facial once every 30 days keeps that skin healthy.
Okay, and they also do the fillers, Botox.
Right, so we do Botox. We offer all the different range of fillers from, the lips. We do the cheekbones, the voluma, the radius, all of the fillers. That's all done by the board-certified dermatologist. And then we also offer the laser treatments for laser hair removal and tattoo removal now, which is becoming more popular.
So if you had to tell our viewers what is most important in skincare, because I know a lot of us have beauty products all over our bathroom counter. But we're also not willing to stay out of the sun or eat the right way. And all of that has a big part to do with our skin, correct?
Absolutely. I try to educate our clients and the patients that come to see the doctor. I'm not a nutritionalist, but I do know that skincare comes from within. Hydration is very, very important. As we get older, we don't create the collagen that we need to regenerate the cells to keep the elasticity, which is why we start to show the signs of aging. So I talk to my clients about possibly taking a collagen supplement. Bone marrow soup is wonderful for that. Anything that you can put it inside your body so your body has something to pull from so that it can regenerate the cells on the outside.
And I don't think that people are educated on that. I think they think collagen can come in a jar and you just put it on and voila!
It doesn't work that way. A lot of the non-invasive or semi-invasive aesthetic treatments depend on your body's ability to regenerate the cells. So if you're depleted and dehydrated and you don't have what your body needs in order to correct, you're not going to get as good results with those type of treatments, which is what we offer here, is mostly non-invasive or semi-invasive laser treatments to regenerate, to diminish wrinkles and so on and so forth. So when we damage those cells, upon demand, the body regenerates them. If you don't have what it takes,
right.
You're not
Exactly.
going to get the results that you're after. Yeah.
Okay, so between Dena and Dr. Buchbinder, they have many, many years experience. And not only are you going to come here and leave feeling really, really good and your skin being the best that it can be over the course of the treatments that you're doing, but you're also going to get educated on what you can do on a daily basis to keep your skin the best that it could be.
That's right. And we have 2 other estheticians working here, both with quite a bit of experience. Anel Gonzalez has over 6 years experience with skincare. She does all the microneedling and dermaplaning and chemical peels. And then we're fortunate to just add another team member, Gina Bianca, and she's got 12 years experience. She's also a laser technician, and she does the hydrofacials and the majority of the more medical grade type aesthetic, like myself. So I'm very excited. We have a great team.
Yeah,
here.
wonderful.
Yeah, thank you.
All right, well, thank you so much for sitting with us today.
Thank you. Thank you for having us.
And we hope to see you here at Beauty Smart. Of course, we will provide you with all the information so you can get in touch with them and make your consultation and start getting that healthy skin. Till next time, thank you for watching the Boca Voice, and we'll see you soon.